Imagine you're starting a new project at your new job, and the tech lead and architect want you to use boost-asio, more specifically the class thread_pool, for asynchronous calculations. The goal is to build a microservice that takes user requests, processes XML input for calculations, and returns results. To achieve this efficiently, a thread pool of calculators using boost-asio was chosen. However, you encountered a problem with deadlock issues in the code you wrote. It seems to sometimes hang and not work as expected, indicating a potential deadlock. Upon examining the code, the solution to the issue lies in avoiding a potential deadlock by not blocking the console output mutex while waiting for the future result. By moving the r1.wait outside the lock, the deadlock potential is eliminated. This adjustment allows the program to wait for the future result without causing a deadlock situation. By making this simple change, you can ensure that the code runs smoothly without any hanging or locking issues. Continuing with the solution, another improvement to the code involves utilizing std_o_sync_stream instead of directly accessing the console output. By incorporating std_o_sync_stream, you can avoid potential pitfalls related to mutex locking during output operations. This adjustment enhances the code's efficiency and reliability by handling output operations in a more thread-safe manner. By implementing this change, you can further optimize the program's performance and ensure seamless execution of the calculations in the thread pool. In summary, by making a couple of key adjustments to the code, you can address the deadlock issues and enhance the efficiency of the application. Avoiding blocking operations while holding mutexes and utilizing thread-safe output mechanisms contribute to a smoother and more reliable execution of the asynchronous calculations. With these enhancements, your project using boost-asio's thread_pool can operate seamlessly and efficiently. Remember to apply these improvements to your code for optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!